10 cool facts about beetles. Beetles are among the most diverse groups of animals on the planet. There are over 400,000 known species of beetles, with new ones being discovered every year. They can be found in almost every habitat on Earth, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, from mountaintops to the depths of the ocean. And they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. But what else is there to know about these fascinating creatures? Here are 10 cool facts about beetles that you might not have known. 1. Beetles are the only insects that can fly backwards. This is because their wings are attached to their thorax, which allows them to move their wings independently and fly in any direction. Other insects, such as butterflies and moths, have wings that are connected to their abdomen, so they can only fly forwards or sideways. 2. Some beetles can change their color depending on their mood or environment. For example, the rainbow stag beetle can turn red when it's angry or threatened, while the green June beetle becomes blue when it's happy or at ease. This ability to change color is called thermochromatism, and it's controlled by pigments that respond to temperature changes. 3. Beetles have been around for a very long time. The earliest known beetle fossils date back to the Permian period, which began around 299 million years ago. That means that beetles have been on Earth for more than 90% of the time that life has existed on the planet. They were one of the first groups of insects to evolve, and they've been diversifying and adapting ever since. 4. Some beetles are poisonous, while others are poisonous. One example is the bombardier beetle, which can spray a toxic liquid from its abdomen that's used to defend against predators. Another example is the poison dart beetle, which accumulates toxins in its body by eating poisonous plants. These toxins make the beetles toxic or poisonous to eat, and they also make them brightly colored to warn off potential predators. 5. Some beetles can regenerate their limbs if they lose them in a fight with a predator or while trying to escape a sticky situation. This ability to regrow limbs is called autotomy, and it's a defense mechanism that's found in many including some spiders, lizards, and salamanders. However, the beetle's new limbs are usually smaller and weaker than their original ones, so they have to be careful not to lose them again. 6. Beetles have a complete metamorphosis, which means that they go through 4 stages of development: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The larval stage is often the most dramatic and well-known transformation, as many beetles have voracious appetites and can cause damage to crops or other plants. For example, the larvae of the Colorado potato beetle are known for their voracious feeding habits and their ability to cause massive crop losses. 7. Some beetles are social insects, which means they live in colonies with other beetles and work together to achieve common goals. For example, the dung beetle is a highly social insect that lives in groups of up to 1,000 individuals. Each member of the colony has a specific job to do, such as digging tunnels, rolling dung balls, or guarding the nest. 8. Beetles are important for the ecosystem because they help decompose dead organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the soil. For example, the scarab beetle is a major decomposer of dung, which is a rich source of nitrogen and other nutrients. By breaking down dung, scarab beetles release these nutrients back into the soil where they can be used by other organisms. 9. Some beetles are pests, which means they cause damage to crops or other human interests. For example, the corn rootworm is a major pest of corn crops in the United States, causing billions of dollars in damage each year. Farmers use a variety of methods to control this beetle, such as crop rotation, resistant varieties, and insecticides. 10. People eat some beetles in some cultures. In some parts of the world, beetles are considered a delicacy and are often served as a protein-rich snack. For example, in Mexico, the larva of the Mexican bean beetle is a popular ingredient in tacos and other dishes. In Thailand, the larvae of the palm weevil are known as coconut worms and are often grilled or fried and served with a dipping sauce. Beetles are an incredibly diverse and fascinating group of animals that play an important role in our world. From their ability to fly backwards to their unique defense mechanisms, beetles are truly remarkable creatures. So the next time you see a beetle, take a closer look and appreciate the amazing animal that it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one!